Hey everyone, want to join the latest in-game events and earn exclusive items? In this video, I'll show you how to participate in Roblox events step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Then here, tap the search bar and type the keyword like event or the event name. Then browse through the live events and check the event banner on the home page and click on the event that you're interested in. Each event has its own page with instructions, goals, and rewards. Some events let you earn free items, while others are tied to a game challenges or sponsored games. Then here, click play and to enter the official game link to the event. Follow the in-game instructions to complete the task and unlock the rewards. Then after finishing the challenges, rewards like badges, avatar items, or Roblox accessories will automatically be added to your inventory. And that's how easy it is to join a Roblox event and score awesome gear. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching!